man, meet me halfway. You guys can do better than that. You guys can be louder than me. Samoa! Awala! Oh, wait! Oh, wait! Katolo, mate! Now, this number is called Faiva Tamatane. It simply means the responsibilities and roles of the Samoan entitled men. This is Toloa family. It was established back in 2004. Great to be here to celebrate Pacifica Festival on the Samoan stage with you for now. Toloa family. So here.